Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another cleaning motivation video. Today I am cleaning my room again. It looked a hot mess. We had just come from vacation. So it definitely needed a good cleaning. I didn't have so much energy after I came back from my vacation, but I knew I had to tackle my room, so that was one reason. And the other reason was to show you guys the goodies that I got at IKEA. For a while now, I have been wanting to kind of add a little bit of color in my room. I have a lot of gray and the furniture is black, so I wanted to add some bright colors. So I chose like a blush pink, and I can't wait to show you guys. So the first thing that I wanted to do was wash our sheets. I wanted some nice and fresh sheets, so that's what I did, and that's what you see me doing here. I also had a load in the washer that I needed to dry, so I went and I did that as well. So, like I mentioned, my husband and I decided to go away for a few days without the kids, which was really nice and relaxing. I actually got to sleep in, which is not normal for me. But yeah, so when we got back, we came back in the evening, and I really didn't want to empty my suitcase right away, so I left it for this video, and that's what I was doing here. These are the clothes that we overpacked and we did not use, so I was just putting them away. Are you an overpacker? I feel like lately I have become. I used to be very organized and I'll just plan out my outfits for the vacation, but this trip was only for 3 days and I packed like I was gone for 2 weeks. My husband is like that too. He overpacks all the time. I think I learned it from him. And he literally has a bag just for his shoes. So I'm not like that with shoes just yet, but I feel like I might be very soon because I tend to pick the wrong shoes for the trip. We went to Niagara Falls and we had a lot of walking to do. So I came home with a ton of blisters because the shoes I took were definitely not for walking. So here I was just tidying up and putting things in its right place. I tend to collect things on that tall dresser for some reason. I think it's because that's the only place Logan doesn't reach, so I put everything up there. But yeah, I was just putting everything away. Yep, I was drinking coffee and water at the same time. Gotta stay hydrated there. So once I was done with tidying up everything, I went ahead and I give all the surfaces a quick wipe.
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures.
So to clean off the dust off of the lampshade, I used my lint roller. I also used it for the headboard, and I was so shocked at how dusty they were. Not that I know I'm gonna start doing it very often. In a few clips I'm gonna show you guys exactly what came off of it.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undeniable.
So now I was going to be cleaning the mirror. I was using my Method glass cleaner. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it doesn't take off the streaks very well. I mean, it's not bad, but good old Windex might do a better job, so I might go back to that. So now that we have a deck, I am able to go outside and clean the outside of our sliding door, which is so nice because the first time I cleaned it, it was so gross, since we had not really cleaned it for the time that we have moved in this house. So now it's nice to be outside and look in and see that both sides are cleaned. So I checked on my sheets and they were not dried yet, so I went ahead and I just started to vacuum. In the meantime, my floors are dirty, you guys. This area is where the kids love to play, or we'll just sit down and read books or whatever. My kids are attracted to a room. There's Logan. Anywhere you see a vacuum, Logan will be there. He loves the vacuum, you guys. It's so cute. But anyways, yeah, so the carpet is it's a nice thing to have, but man, it collects a lot of dirt and dust, and I really don't like that. So I can't wait till we honestly get rid of it. Okay, so now it was time to make the bed. The sheets were dried and they were so nice and warm. But I wanted to straighten out our mattress protector there. This thing is amazing. I think my husband got it from Groupon, and we have one for us and one for Ethan, and it's perfect. I love it. So I went ahead and I put on the bed sheets. They smelled good. They were so fresh, and who doesn't like fresh sheets? Honestly, when you go to bed, they're nice and clean, and you just sleep like a baby.
All night we can do it. All night, baby, want to hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Guess we're pioneers, roaming around the atmosphere. I hate when you're not near, drifting away, drifting away. Keep missing you the days that you don't see me, like searching for a heart inside of my sheet. Sitting here forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. 'Cause I don't care as long as you're there, as long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can.
Okay, so now to the fun part. Everything was now in place. The pillows were all done, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the goodies that I bought from IKEA. These are the pillowcases that I got. They have like a blush pink in them, which were perfect. The big ones were $14.99, and you guys, the small ones, I got them for 99 cents. Yeah, 99 cents. Amazing, right? And they're so pretty. They're perfect. And the pillows, I think they are filled with feathers because they're the choppable ones, which I have been looking for and I could not find anywhere. Amazon, or even I tried Amazon and I tried Walmart. Walmart for sure didn't have them. So yeah, these pillows are so cute and they're heavy.
All night we can do it. All night, baby, want to hold tight, hold tight.
Did you ever stop and think why spend too much time?
Alrighty, now it was time to show you guys on the bed how they turned out. But I also wanted to show you guys some of the other decor that I got, and I got this little greenery situation here. I cannot pronounce half of IKEA product names. honestly. Can you? But they have amazing things. So I got this little planter that I wanted to put in the little greenery in, and they fit perfectly. I tried it in the store before I bought them, so I knew how I was gonna lay it out before I even brought it home. So anyways, yeah, I wanted to add a little bit of greenery on the side tables, and they look cute. I am still working on this room. It is a work in progress, and I don't know how long it's gonna take me to be happy with it, but I'm constantly looking for little things that I could add to our room. Now I'm looking for something to add to the headboard or above the headboard, so more changes to come.
When I see you, my heart starts racing.
Well, thank you so much for joining me in cleaning and decorating my room. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys how everything looks and turned out. I love those pillows. I can never have enough pillows on my bed, so I was quite excited for these. So yeah, thanks guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.